The Environmental Learning Center provides unique opportunities to connect with the natural world on our 64-acre native lagoon island campus. By strengthening human connections to nature, we foster environmental stewardship and individual health and well-being. Together, we can champion the protection and restoration of our shared ecosystems, so this wild Florida habitat and our own human health thrive for generations to come. We invite you to join the ELC family and support our mission.